Alright, welcome to KwhOnlyEv Motorcycles channel. I have my 2024 LiveWire S2 Delmar, and in the last video, if you guys view the last video, I installed the saddlebag bracket for this bike. This was made for Ducati Scrambler 620 and 800 Scramblers, and but I was able to see if it's gonna fit on the bike, and as you can see, it does fit. It doesn't fit the hole as it was supposed to be, but I was able to. I'm sure they created this other hole on the side for it to fit the side of it as well. So just in case of other bike that wants to use this kind of accessory. So I'm not talking about this today. So I'm talking about another accessory that I need to add to this, which is the saddlebag. So I purchased that also on AliExpress. So I will drop the link in the description. Before I start, if this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Check out my other videos that I've posted. Also, check out my other channel, KwhOnlyEv, for my 2022 Kia EV6. Check out the road trip videos, the charging session videos, accessory videos, and also the unboxing and installation of EVSEs or accessory EV charging accessory for electric vehicle and motorcycle. So check those videos out and hit the like button and subscribe to the other channel as well. With all that being said, let me go ahead and grab the bag. Alright, so here's the bag. Let me go ahead and use my box cutter. I also have some items inside of it. So those are the camera accessory, and here is the bag. As you can see, it is small, so it is good. It's the perfect fit for this S2 Delmar, and with the bracket attached to it. So this is great. All right, so let me go ahead and put this together, and let's see what we've got here. All right, so this is a leather case, leather saddle bag, so I need to be careful so that I won't tear it. So this comes with the instruction, and it has a password lock, which has some of the code right here. So here is the saddle bag. It is small, but I believe it is okay to have for something. I mean, for a motorcycle like this, so just to have something in the bag, to not so that you won't have to carry a backpack with you. So I probably will have to have like a bigger bag or case in the back right here. So right now, this is good. So as I said, you can get this on AliExpress, and as you can see, it is not that big, but it is okay to have. I mean, if you want to pack light, you know, it is good to have compared to the one on my VFR 800. This is smaller compared to that one, and I believe this one is locked. So let me figure out what is the code for this. All right, so I guess I just have to look at the one here to unlock it. So it is unlocked right now, and it's the same, not that big size, but the only problem is this rain. I believe it is weatherproof as well. Time will tell, and the weather will tell, especially with the weather here in the Charlotte area. That is unpredictable. And if you're a motorcycle rider in the Charlotte or North Carolina area, you have to get you a rain suit or rain cover for your motorcycle. If not, you're gonna get wet riding in the rain. I've done that multiple times, riding in the rain. I'm not worried about riding in the rain. I'm okay with that. I just don't want the bike to get that wet. So, all right. With all that talk, let me go ahead and put this on the bike. All right. So right now I'm about to put it in. So you are going to put this through here and slide it down. So what I'm going to do is it does fit. and try and slide it down here. The bottom piece is kind of narrow, but I can squeeze it in. Okay. All right, and it is in. So what I'm going to do is get the rope, tie it in on both sides. Actually, I think it only came with one rope, which is this. I don't know how that's going to work. So I am going to put on the second one as well. So you can see, look at that. Let me take a picture of this. That's awesome, awesome. Looks nice. I like the fact that that's the reason why I decided to get a color in black, because I know I will be getting accessories that will fit. So let me go ahead and put that one so that I can get a little bit closer to it, hug it to the bike, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is what I have right now. The rope that was given, that was, I don't like the rope. I'll probably have to find something else to tie it down with. It doesn't look sturdy. It doesn't feel sturdy. So I will let you know what kind of rope, type of rope that I'm gonna use. So yeah, but it's not that sturdy. So I'm gonna get something else to tie it down with. All right, welcome back. So I decided to do this. Well, it took me a couple of days. Well, actually, this is weekend. Is Saturday, the day 9th. So because of my work schedule and other things, so I couldn't do it during the weekdays. And I already completed it, so I'm going to turn the camera around. So what I did was, instead of hanging it out, I hooked it through the side of the bracket. So what I did was I passed it through the seat. So let me go ahead and unlock the seat, which supposed to go. So I unlocked the seat. So this is what I did. The rope, you're supposed to tie it together to hold it, and that's what I did. So that's what you're gonna do. If you have any method that you can use to tie it down with, because I tried to put it through the corner, but it didn't hold very well. Like it wasn't sturdy. Like it was kind of open on the side and wasn't sturdy. So, but doing this, I think is the best choice. Actually, that's a record. That's how it was. It showed on the picture. So let me go ahead and get that. So you have to tie like this. Let me see here. I don't think there's any. Well, that's the only picture I saw. Let me go ahead and scroll up. So as you can see, this bike right here. So the person was able to, let me zoom in, focus. So as you can see, it went under the seat, the rear seat. So, and these are the owners. It's like this person's in Florida or somewhere, or Texas. But as you can see, the other bike as well. And this is not made for, yeah, I mean, this is universal. So I think this one looks like in India somewhere. But it is a small, so it is a small bag for you to have. You will be able to put your helmet in it, but you'll still be able to put some few items like, maybe a drink, maybe a small food container, putting in there some snacks and stuff just to have. You don't have to have a backpack with you. So let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. If you'll be able to get a small saddlebag like this, or you can get, let me get a big saddlebag, a bigger set that is adjustable like this. I need to get my another one, because this one that I have, it is messed up. It is messed up. Like the zippers are bad, but this will work good. I might even put it on there. I think I might just go ahead and do that. Put that one on there. But I have this on my VFR 800. I might even put this one in the back seat too, just to have on there. Um, so let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Uh, saddle bag. I will have the AliExpress link on the in the comments. So let me know what you think about that. whether it's a good thing or not, or the bracket as well, the saddlebag bracket. If you will get something like this, or you're gonna wait till LiveWire brings out comes out with theirs, and I hope they do, but I know it's gonna be expensive. So I believe this one, the saddlebag's like $26 some change, and and the bracket is like 40 something dollars. I'm not sure. I have to go, but I'll put the link in the description. Let me know what you guys think. If this is your first time viewing this channel, subscribe, like, and hit notification bell. Check out my videos. I'll be posting more videos on the channel. So, and I also post this on my Kilowatt Hour Only EV channel now. So stay tuned for the video on there. I have another video that's coming up about my car. Okay, so see you another video. Stay safe, ride safe. Bye bye.